Hello! In this video, you will learn how to enable different scorings for assessment. This assessment is structured to give you 2 attempts per question, providing an engaging way to test and improve your knowledge. This question allows for 2 attempts. If you answer correctly on your first try, you'll earn a full 10 points. If the answer is incorrect, don't worry, try again button will appear, giving you another chance. On this second attempt, a correct answer will award you 5 points. However, if the answer is incorrect again, you'll move on to the next question without receiving any points. This scoring system is designed to reward accuracy and persistence, ensuring you learn effectively while keeping the assessment challenging and fun. Remember, every attempt is a learning opportunity. Strategize, give it your best shot, and enjoy the process. Good luck and thank you for participating in our assessment. Thanks for watching.